It's time for another gardening update. Look, y'all, look at my beautiful family. Beautiful, big, huge owl. I thought this bird was huge. Look at that bird looking up at my beautiful owl. My family of here speak, see no evil frog. I love my little garden family. Soon to be out there decorating the balcony garden. I love them. Look at my beautiful owl. Y'all know I got that little small, brassy looking owl. Okay, it's a little junky in the background, but I have sprained my ankle. Is it sprung or is it sprained? I have sprained my ankle, not my ankle, my left elbow again. My left elbow trying to go out on me. That's why it's keep getting injured so easily. I guess it never healed from me spraining it the first time, injuring it. So I guess I gotta take it easy. But I want to get out there and set my little garden statues out there so they can help perk the garden up. I think this might be everybody, I guess. Y'all remember my bird? I thought it was big, but y'all, I thought that bird was big, but look at this owl. It's huge. It's supposed to have some solar in it where its eyes gonna shine at night. I love it. I didn't know it was gonna be so big. I thought my frog was big, but oh my goodness. It is incredible. I love it. I love my little garden statues, my decorations. I can't wait to style them on the balcony garden. Yes, I can't wait to put these guys out there and let them produce some pleasure for me. And since I've injured the left arm, no, I haven't found my stick pins. I got two different kinds. I think I put them in this box, but I gotta take it easy with my elbow now. That's gonna slow down me on my crafting too, because I don't know, I've been doing quite a bit crafting and trying to garden. On top of that, rearrange the pantry area. It's a lot. Y'all have no idea. I guess y'all have no idea. Oh, you have no idea. And now am I going to show you? I don't think so. Mr. Frog, I love my little family. I love them. I just can't get over how that bird is staring at that owl like, excuse me, I was here first. And you are outshining me. Yes it is. I love it. I'm gonna let you guys go, but my little family will be back soon, and hopefully I'll have them all together with the albino frog. Yeah. Little one that's sitting up with legs, long frog legs. What is it, a toad? I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening. I'll see you on the next one. Go!